Hey guys, we got a new prop today. And what do you think it is, Bobby? What do we like?
We love clowns.
Clowns. We love clowns. So we saw this one, and it wasn't in the store. We saw it online, and we decided to order it. Now Spirit has a clown Jack-in-the-Box, which looks pretty good. But we think this one's a little better. So we're going to do an unboxing and put it together, and you'll check it out with us. So are you ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
Well, there is the box. It's a lot bigger than I expected. So let's check out the specs. It's called the Dreadful Dreams Animated Jack-in-the-Box, and it weighs 36 pounds. And it's from Home Depot. Now, I ordered this using a coupon that I bought off eBay for 99 cents. It gave me a code to save 20 bucks off of it. So if you don't have a Home Depot code or something, go ahead and go on eBay and pay 99 cents and get the code before you buy it and save $20. Now this thing also has directions that you can scan that code and you can see how to put it together. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use old school directions. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. All right, let's cut this open.
I'm excited. We've watched it on YouTube and I can't wait to see it in person.
Yep. So it's inside of this box. Let's cut this one open. There are the instructions. Actually on the box lids. That's different. I don't think I've ever seen instructions actually mounted to the box lid. Let's see what we have there. Yep, another pack of instructions. So let's take it out of the box, see what we have. Got some arms. And we got some big hands. Look at the size.
Wow, those are huge.
A little bigger than we expected, I think.
Are we going to have a place to put that, as big as that's going to be?
Yeah, I hope so. We'll find a place. I mean, that's big.
It's big.
All right, we have the Jack-in-the-Box cover. Not a lot of pieces. There's his head.
Wow.
How's that look?
That looks really good.
I like it. Like we said, Spirit has one. This one from Home Depot we thought looked a little better. And we got some bars. I guess I'll make the base come up that he'll go over top of. I got this thing in here pretty good. Looks like it's packaged pretty decent. Let's see what we gotta cut to get it out of here. Cut that. They really got it tied in.
They didn't want it going anywhere when they shipped it.
Nope.
That's good though.
Yep. There's the main motor. Your typical prop. They all look about the same. And another base there. We got this. That's pretty much it, except the cord to plug it in.
Yes, we need that.
Yep. So we're going to go ahead and try to assemble this. As you can see, we tried to organize everything so we could just grab them. Everything is lettered pretty nice. They did a good job with that. And over here's all the stuff that was in the bag. They all have the letters on them. Not a lot of pieces. And it looks like it did a pretty good job on the instructions. And if you don't want to follow this one, like I said before, I think you can just scan that and watch it on your phone and go step by step that way. Okay, we have it all put together. Check this thing out.
He looks really good. I mean, they did a lot of detail on that face, didn't they?
Unbelievable. I mean, that is probably the best prop I think I've seen.
He is, and it's huge.
It's gigantic. I'll stand by here in a second and get an idea. Yeah.
Look at his hands, how big.
I mean, the quality that they made it was awesome. I mean, this is nice material. It was pretty simple to put together.
And what's really nice, there was instructions on the box. And also inside, there was a paper. But it was nice they put it on the box in case you would lose the instructions.
Yeah, never seen that done before. You come up with the idea, that's probably what it was. But that probably was it. People lose instructions. And that is probably why they put it on the box. So I'm ready to turn this thing on and see how it works. Are you ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Smiles or screams. Either way works for me. Every haunted house needs a couple old rusty toys to give a little deathly atmosphere. I'm good for a quiet, gloomy home. Or a really loud one! I remember when you were little, there were so many things that you were so afraid of. What a little crybaby! I'll find you in your dreams and conjure up some new things to be afraid of. I like my little tune, don't you? It starts out quiet, and then, it surprises the pants off you. I love this job. Let's put a smile on that face of yours. Smiles or screams. Either way works for me.
All right, I'm going to show you how big this thing really is. Let me shut it off. Look at the size of this thing. This thing is huge.
Yeah, he's really big. They did a good job with this prop.
Best prop I have seen. If you're into clowns, you got to get this one. This was at Home Depot. This is probably the best prop you could buy this season. And it's probably our best prop that we have already. It is incredible.